All right, what is going on, everybody? Okay, this is like taking forever. This is like my fourth intro, but anyways, I'm just gonna push forward. That's it. I hope everybody is doing well. All right, for the last couple of videos, I've actually been dropping a couple of hits of what's to come right now, and I'm really happy that I actually finally did get it. Okay, so what I got was a 12,000 pound winch. That's right, yeah. All right, so I'm talking too much. Let's start it. All right, let's get right into it. There's a lot of stuff in here, and what I'll probably end up doing is I'll just take everything out of the box, lay it across the table so you have a proper see. But let's just go ahead and see what's in here. So we have our instruction manual. On top we have the trigger, or the remote, the wired remote. Some hardware, galvanized bolts, negative battery cable. Okay, coming into here, the positive battery, and also here is the wireless remote. So in, out, on, off. Oh, look, there's battery in here. Sweet. The other cables. Here we go. The box that goes up on top. How do you say it? Rugcel? Rugcel? Rugcel. And also the aluminum fair lead. Oh, this is really nice. All right, so we'll be right back. I'm gonna pull this thing out of the box. This thing is super crazy heavy. All right, so that's what comes in the box, and it's pretty straightforward, so which is really nice. This looks a lot nicer than what I expected. We have our clutch disengage over here, the actual control box. Now, I ended up getting the one with the synthetic line, which is really nice. It's a 1,200 pound winch, sorry, 12,000 pound winch, so this should be more than capable of pulling the Yukon or any other vehicle out of the mud. So the next thing I'm gonna do is, well, I wanna do is actually install it in the truck, but that's not gonna be happening anytime soon. I might end up making a tray, a winch tray system for myself. As I said before, you know, it's very difficult to find stuff for the Yukon, and some of the steel front bumpers that I've seen for the Yukon or even Tahoes or Suburbans, I don't like them. So I think the way I'm gonna go is with a winch tray system. But what I'm gonna do first, I'm actually gonna hook this thing up to the battery. I do have my boat battery, so that's a good thing. So I'm gonna quickly hook that up and just make sure that this thing actually works. So that's what I like to do when I purchase the products from Amazon. So let me quickly go get the battery. I have the wires connected to the winch and to the battery. Let's cross our fingers and hopefully it doesn't short out or spark. Anyways. Okay, so we take our plug and we insert it in the top. I really like this because it's very accessible once it's in the front of the truck. So let's go out. Whoa! That thing sounds like a lot of torque. Holy mac. That's insane. It works. That's awesome. Okay. Oh, jeez. Okay, next, let's try the wireless remotes. You know what? I'm just going to cut this off here. All right, so we got the wireless remotes here. I'm going to do one at a time. So let's turn this one on. Out. Holy jeez. Okay, turn that off. Turn this on. Oops. Connected. There we go. Holy jeez. That thing is crazy powerful. All right. So yeah. What's nice is that we have our handheld winch control, 2 battery wireless handheld controllers. Yeah, I'm really excited. You know what? For a budget-friendly, I'm actually gonna call it a budget-friendly winch to get it off of Amazon. As usual, what I'll do is I will put it down in the description below so you can actually look at it to see what you think. Compared to Warren, Smittybilt, actually Smittybilt is not too off from it, but it's still more expensive. And from any of the other winches out there, I saved quite a bit of money. I actually spent $550 Canadian with the synthetic rope, which is really cool. I'm not gonna complain about that. The next thing to do is actually figure a way on how I'm gonna install it. Yeah, I'm gonna have to hit the drawing board with that one. Until the next time, stay safe. Hopefully, I'll see you out there.